Hi, my name is Brenden. I'm the top 2 finalists on Idols SA. My single is a funk song about just love and different shades of love. I really like R&B a lot, but of course, I mean, I like commercial sort of neo soul slash R&B slash pop. It's a unique sound that I think you have to hear to understand. I honestly I never thought I'd get this far. I mean, there was so much talent this year, and even last week, I was so sure I was going out. I was so sure I was going home, and I'd made peace with it. But yeah, man, South African people came through for me. I'd like to thank them.
Hi, this is Musa, Idols SA's finalist. I'm going to speak about tonight's show, and I had a wonderful time on stage. Beautiful audience, beautiful crowd. It was an amazing night, and we just dropped in a new single, and my single, the song is I Still Feel It. And I Still Feel It, to me, it's a song that speaks of music, to me, in my perspective. Other people will obviously put it in other words. It was a very scary moment, but I guess with the love of music itself, it calms me down all the time. I had it in mind that it could be me, it could be anyone. And fortunately enough, through God's grace, I'm still here, It was a very crazy moment, just being there, 3 guys, fantastic talent. And somehow I made it here, If I would win, man, I'd love to go for a very soulful and inspirational sound, music that talks to people on a daily, the kind of music that you would listen to at any given day. It would have to be on that turn, I'd love to be on that level. If I don't win, man, Musa will always be music, you know what I mean? I'll definitely be here for SA to listen to more. Find a way of breaking it loose, I guess Idols has brought me this far, I'm sure.